Welcome. You have just stepped into a sacred gate, a gate I call access to the realm of herbs. Here, the earth whispers secrets, and the green leaves hold answers older than the oldest manuscripts. Today, I will walk you into a world not of ordinary herbs, but of rare, special ones, the kind that a beginner can grow with ease, yet each one carries a power that can heal, strengthen, and even transform the spirit. If you are new here, this is Touch of Sexagenarian Herbs Garden, where wisdom blooms in every leaf, and where every story told brings you closer to the healing embrace of nature. Take a moment now to subscribe, like, and share, because what you are about to hear will make you look at your garden as a temple of life. Let's begin. 1. Anise hyssop, the breath herb. Anise hyssop is no ordinary plant, its fragrance is sweet, almost like licorice, and its leaves are a gift to the lungs. It strengthens breathing, calms coughs, and brings clarity to the chest. How to grow. It loves sunlight, grows easily in pots or ground, and thrives even in poor soil. Just water lightly and let it bask in the sun. How to use. Steep the leaves in hot water for a tea that opens the lungs, or crush fresh leaves into a cool drink that refreshes the spirit. 2. Lemon balm, the spirit soother. Known as the herb of joy, lemon balm is like bottled sunshine. It calms the mind, eases nervous tension, and improves sleep. How to grow. Plant it in well-drained soil, keep it in partial sun, and watch it spread. This herb loves to grow. How to use. A tea before bedtime invites peaceful rest. Fresh leaves rubbed on the skin drive away mosquitoes, leaving behind a gentle citrus fragrance. 3. Angelica, the guardian herb. For centuries, angelica was planted at doorways to ward off evil spirits. Beyond its folklore, it strengthens digestion and supports circulation. How to grow. It prefers moist, shaded ground. A beginner will find it forgiving, as long as its roots are not allowed to dry out. How to use. The stems can be candied for a sweet, healing treat. Roots brewed as tea strengthen the stomach and chase away sluggishness. 4. Borage, the courage herb. In olden days, warriors drank borage tea before battle, for it was believed to give courage to the heart. Today, it is treasured for lifting moods and supporting adrenal health. How to grow. Scatter the seeds in sunny soil, water gently, and watch its blue star-shaped flowers unfold. How to use. Young leaves can be added to salads for a cucumber-like freshness. A tea made from its flowers brings calm and restores inner courage. 5. Holy basil, the sacred protector. Known in India as tulsi, holy basil is more than a plant, it is a living spirit of protection. It balances blood sugar, strengthens immunity, and sharpens the mind. How to grow. Keep it in sunlight, water daily, and it will grow as though it was destined for your home. How to use. Fresh leaves chewed in the morning renew energy. A tea of holy basil sharpens clarity and shields the body against sickness. 6. Mugwort, the dream herb. Mugwort is called the witch's herb, but not for darkness. It awakens dreams, enhances intuition, and relaxes the nerves. How to grow. This herb loves wild soil. Plant it once, and it will return every year, needing little care. How to use. Leaves can be dried and placed under your pillow to enhance dreams. A mild tea before bed stirs visions and restful sleep. 7. Chervil, the gentle healer. A cousin of parsley, chervil is delicate yet mighty. It aids digestion, refreshes the breath, and cools inflammation in the body. How to grow. Plant it in partial shade. Its soft leaves are tender, so shelter them from too much sun. How to use. Add fresh leaves to soups and salads, but never cook it long, for its healing oils vanish with heat. 8. Calendula, the golden healer. Calendula is a sun herb, bright as dawn. Its petals are famous for healing the skin, soothing wounds, and reducing inflammation. How to grow. Scatter seeds directly into the soil. Give it sun, water gently, and it will bloom endlessly. How to use. Dry the petals and steep them in oil for a soothing skin balm. In tea, it cleanses the body and cools fevers. 9. Lovage, the vitality herb. Lovage is strong in flavor and even stronger in medicine. It stimulates digestion, supports kidney health, and strengthens vitality. How to grow. Plant its roots in fertile soil, give it sunlight, and watch as it grows tall and proud. How to use. Leaves can be added to soups and stews for a celery-like taste. A root infusion energizes the body and clears toxins. 10. Skullcap, the calm herb. This herb is nature's gift for rest. Skullcap calms anxiety, eases tension, and supports deep sleep. How to grow. It enjoys moist soil and partial shade. A gentle, low-maintenance herb for every beginner's garden. How to use. Brew the leaves for a calming tea after a stressful day. It relaxes the mind without heaviness. Closing words. And now, you have the keys: 10 herbs, easy to grow, yet carrying powers that touch the lungs, the heart, the mind, the skin, and even the soul. They are not ordinary. They are not common. They are the gentle guardians of nature's realm. Plant them. Nurture them. Let them heal you. Because every leaf carries wisdom, every root holds memory, and every flower is a whisper from creation itself. This is your access to the realm of herbs. If this journey touched you, do not leave without subscribing, liking, and sharing this gift with others, because somewhere, someone needs this knowledge today. Until we meet again, keep your garden alive, and let it keep you alive in return.